Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 1B. Okay, now Maths 1B 14th class. See here, already one topic is completed. Next running topic is see here. Next running topic is transformation of axis. Okay, now next running topic is transformation of axis. Already last class we discussed this one. Again, one time repeating. Transformation of axis is three types. One is translation of axis. One is translation of axis. Second one is rotation of axis. Rotation of axis. Third one is translation and rotation of axis. Translation and rotation of axis. Okay, now see here there are three types of the translation of axis. Transformation of axis are three types. One is translation of axis. Second one is rotation of axis. Third one is translation and rotation of axis. Last class we discussed this one. Translation of axis already we discussed, but again one time repeating. So now translation of axis. See here, without changing the direction of the axis, origin is shifted to one point to another point in the same plane. Then this transformation is called translation of axis. Again repeating, without changing the direction of the axis, origin is shifting to one point to another point in the plane. Okay, now origin is shifting to one point to another point in the same plane. So this type of transformation is called translation of axis. Okay, now again repeating, without changing the direction of the axis, origin is shifted to one point to another point in the same plane. This type of transformation is called translation of axis. Translation of axis. Okay, now so there is one small theorem is there. Write down the one small theorem. Okay, now see here. Now continuing the theorem. So this is the theorem about the translation of axis. If the coordinates of x comma y of a point are transformed to which one, sir? X dash comma y dash, when the axes are translated to the point which one, sir? H comma k. Axes are translated to the point which one, sir? H comma k. Then x is equal to x dash plus h, y equal to y dash plus km. When the axes are translated to which point, sir? H comma k. Axes are translated means origin is shifted point, that is nothing but. Okay, now so how to find the origin, sir? The intersecting point of x axis and y axis is called the origin. Axes are shifted, automatically origin is also shifted to another point. Okay, now your origin shifted to which point, sir? H comma k point. Okay, now so in that case what we are showing, sir? X is equal to x dash plus h, y equal to y dash plus k. Okay, now x is equal to x dash plus h, y equal to y dash plus km. Okay, now see here. See here. Now continuing the theorem. Okay, now so see here solution. So the coordinates of which ones are x comma y. Let here we are taking one point, we are assuming P is equal to x comma y be a point. So that is nothing but your observation. This is the coordinate system. This is the origin. This is which ones are x axis. This is which one, y axis. In this system, this is the coordinate system. Origin is there, x axis is there, y axis is there. In this system, we are taking the one point. What is the point, sir? P be the one point. The coordinates of P is equal to x comma y. That is nothing but x is indicating which one, sir? The perpendicular distance from the point P to which one, sir? Y axis. Y is indicating which one? Perpendicular distance from the point P to which one, sir? X axis. Okay, now so here first we are taking P is equal to x comma y be a point. Okay, now so observe this one. origin is shifting to which point, sir? So axes are translated means origin is also shifted to that point. That is nothing but, okay now. So here we are taking the new origin. Actually, O is equal to 0, comma 0 be the which one, sir? Old origin. Old origin. Here new origin is nothing but O dash is equal to H comma K be the origin shifted point. Origin shifted point. O dash is equal to H comma K be the origin shifted point. See here we are taking, suppose this is the O dash. Where is the O dash is there? At that point must and should we are writing x axis, new x axis and new y axis. The new x axis and new y axis are parallel to the OX and parallel to OY. Now we are drawing. This is nothing but without changing the direction of the axis. Okay now. So this is which one, sir? Here. So this is the O dash is the new origin. This is which one? Y dash. This is O dash X dash, O dash Y dash. Okay now. So coordinates are, these are the x axis comma this OX comma OY is nothing but which one, sir? Coordinate axis. Here coordinate axis are changed. That's why the coordinates of P also must and should be will be changed. So why we are changing the coordinates of P, sir? Here origin is shifted to another point. That's why the distance from to the point P to the new x axis and new y axis is different length. That's why the coordinates of P automatically will be changed. Okay now. So we are drawing a perpendicular line from which one, sir? O dash X dash axis and OX axis. Okay now. So here this one we are taking here. This is L. Here M. Okay now. Capital L comma capital M. Okay now. So from the point O dash to also we are drawing one perpendicular line. This perpendicular line meets the x axis, which means, sir? So L M. This is which one, sir? Capital N. L M N. So what is the origin shifted point, sir? Origin shifted point O dash is nothing but which one, sir? This is the O dash. O dash is equal to what is the value? H comma Km. O dash is equal to H comma K. So H comma K be the which one, sir? Origin shifted point. Here we are writing origin shifted point, this one. Here observe this one. O dash is equal to H comma K means here H is denoting which one, sir? The perpendicular distance from the point to O dash to which one, sir? Y axis. That is nothing but which one, sir? ON. Here that is nothing but x coordinate, that is equal to what is the H is there. Here ON is equal to what is the value? H. ON is equal to H. And O dash is equal to under coordinate what is the K is there. There is nothing but K is nothing but Y coordinate. Y coordinate denoting perpendicular distance from the point to which one, sir? X axis. That is nothing but here O dash N. O dash is nothing but which one, sir? K. ON is equal to H. O dash is equal to K. Okay now. Here observe this one. We are writing another one. Here the coordinates of P are x dash comma y dash. How to we are writing, sir? With the reference of which system? New system. There are two systems are there. OX comma OY is the one system. Okay now. And O dash x dash, O dash y dash is the new system. So in the plane we are taking any point. There are must and should two types of coordinates are with the reference of new system and with the reference of old system. There are must and should two types. Every point have two types of coordinates. With the reference of new system, one coordinates are there. With the reference of old system, another coordinates are there. Here P of x comma y are the coordinates of which point, sir? P with respect to which system? Which system? Old system. X dash comma y dash are the coordinates of the point P with reference of which system? New system. Okay now. X dash comma y dash are the coordinates of the point P with reference of new system. What is the new system? O dash x dash, O dash y dash is the new system. Okay now. Here origin shifted point is H comma K. Here O x comma OY be the which one, sir? Original system. or old system. Original system or which one sir? Old system. Okay na? Here what is the OX comma OYB? The which system? Original system or old system. Here next we see here O dash X dash. Here O dash Y dash O dash X dash O dash Y dash be the which system sir? New system. New system or transformed system. Transformed system. Sir, why we are calling transformed system? Origin is shifted to another point. That is nothing but where is the origin is there? Origin is nothing but where is the origin is there? Must should we are drawing one x axis and one y axis. Origin is shifted to another point. That's why we are writing new x axis and new y axis. What is the new x axis? O dash x dash is the new x axis. O dash y dash be the new y axis. Okay now? See here. Here we are writing P is equal to x comma y. Be a point term. Here we are writing P is equal to x comma y are the coordinates of P with reference of which system sir? With reference of old system. With reference of old system. Here P is equal to x dash comma y dash. P is equal to x dash comma y dash are the coordinates of P with reference of which system sir? New system or transformed system. New system or transformed system. Okay now? Here we draw which one sir? Capital L comma capital M be the projection of which point sir? P. Okay now? Capital L comma capital M be the projection of P on which one sir? OX and O dash X dash axis. Okay na? Here we are writing capital L comma capital M. Here capital M is the one projection. Here capital M is also another projection. Capital L comma capital M are the projections of P on which one sir? OX comma here O dash X dash axis. Okay now? So L comma M are the projections of P on OX comma OX dash O dash X dash axis. Next here also N is also which one sir? Projection of which point sir? O dash capital N be the projection of which one sir? O dash on which axis? OX axis. This is nothing but projection is there. Projection is nothing but which one sir? This is the here first x coordinate denoting which one sir? New x coordinate denoting which one? Perpendicular distance from the point P to which one sir? New y axis. What is the new axis? O dash y dash. This is nothing but O dash M is equal to here O dash M. That is nothing but which one sir? X dash. O dash M is equal to X dash. Next y coordinate is there. Y coordinate is nothing but which one sir? Perpendicular distance from the point P to which one sir? X axis. Here y coordinate what is there? New y coordinate y dash is there. Here PM. So PM is equal to which one sir? Y dash. Here already we have the coordinates of P equal to x comma y are there. Okay now? So now we are finding the relation between the new system and old system. Here x is nothing but which one sir? Old coordinate. Okay now? So x coordinate denoting which one? Perpendicular distance from the point P to which one sir? Y axis. That is nothing but the distance from P to Y axis is nothing but which one sir? OL. Okay now? So x is equal to which one, sir? OL. Okay na? OL is equal to which one, amma? ON plus NL, amma. ON plus NL. OL is equal to ON plus what is the value, amma? NL. Observe this one. Here NL is equal to what is the value, amma? O dash M, amma. NL is equal to O dash M. NL is equal to which one, sir? O dash M. So that's why ON plus NL is nothing but which one, sir? O dash M. Here ON is equal to what is the value, sir? H. ON is equal to H. O dash M is equal to what is the value here? X dash. Totally what we are getting, sir? Here X is equal to X dash plus HM. This is the relation between the new system and old system with which coordinates are X coordinates. Next same way we are finding Y coordinates. What is the coordinate of Y, sir? So Y is nothing but the perpendicular distance from the point P to which one? X axis. That is nothing but PL. Okay now? Here Y is equal to what is the value of Y, sir? PL. Okay now? PL is equal to PM plus LM, sir, ML. PM plus which one, sir? ML. Okay now? Here PM plus MLM. PM plus ML. Okay now? So here ML is nothing but which one, sir? O dash N. ML is nothing but which one, sir? O dash N. Okay na? So PM plus which one, sir? O dash N. PM is nothing but OM. First we are writing OM. Okay na? Where is the, so see here OL is equal, sir, PL is equal to what is it, sir? PM plus ML. So what is the value of PM, sir? PM is equal to Y dash. PM is equal to Y dash. Next to O dash N. What is the O dash N, sir? O dash N is nothing but KM. So therefore here we can write to Y is equal to Y dash plus KM. So this is the relation between which system, sir? New system and old system. Relation between new system and old system. Relation between new system and old system. X is equal to X dash plus H. Here Y is equal to Y dash plus K. And always remember this one. Small x comma small y are the coordinates of the point P with reference of which system, sir? Old system. Otherwise original system. Here x dash comma y dash. Here x dash comma y dash are the coordinates of point P with the reference of which system? New system. Otherwise transformed system. Here what is the origin shifted point, sir? Origin shifted point is which one, sir? H comma K. H comma K be the origin shifted point. Okay na? So always remember this one. P is equal to x comma y are the coordinates of P with reference of old system or original system. X dash comma y dash are the coordinates of point P with reference of which system, sir? New system or transformed system. H comma K be the origin shifted point. So the relation between new system and old system is which one, sir? X is equal to x dash plus h, y equal to y dash plus k. By using of this equation, we can transform the one system to another system easily. Okay na? So in the transformation of axis, we have 4 marks question is there. One short question. Okay na? Only one short question from this topic, transformation of axis. Okay na? All of you first write down carefully. See here now we are discussing one example, amma. So find the coordinates of point which ones are 1, 2 in the new system. So in the new system is we are finding the new coordinates. That's why given coordinates are which coordinates are? Original coordinates. Otherwise old coordinates. Given coordinates are old coordinates, otherwise original coordinates. We are finding the new coordinates of which one, sir? 1 comma 2. When the origin is shifted to which point, sir? Minus 2 comma 3. Origin shifted point is which one, sir? Minus 2 comma 3 is the origin shifted point. Okay now? So see here, first we are writing origin shifted point. Origin shifted point. Origin shifted point. That is nothing but what is it, sir? H comma k is equal to minus 2 comma 3 is the origin shifted point. Okay now? So now we are finding which one, sir? New system. Let here x dash comma y dash are the new coordinates. New coordinates of which one, sir? 1 comma 2. That is nothing but given original coordinates are which one? X comma y. Given original coordinates are which one, sir? X comma y. So that is nothing but 1 comma 2 is equal to x comma y, original coordinates. Okay now? So we know which one, sir? We know. So x is equal to x dash plus h. Okay now? Y is equal to y dash plus k. But here you want which value, sir? X dash comma y dash values are required. Okay now? X dash comma y dash values are required. That's why by using of this relation, so we can write x dash value and y dash value. Then x dash is equal to x minus h. Here y dash is equal to y minus km. Here x dash is equal to x minus h. Here x is equal to what is the 1 minus h. H is equal to what is the value? Minus 2. There is nothing but 1 minus 2, 1 plus 2. Here x dash is equal to what is the value, sir? 3. And y is equal to which one, sir? Y dash is equal to, sir, y equal to y dash plus k. Y dash is equal to y minus k. Here y dash is equal to y minus k. Y is nothing but 2 minus k. K equal to what is the value, sir? 3. So y dash is equal to which one, sir? Minus 1. Okay now? 2 minus 3 is equal to what is the value? Minus 1. Therefore, here new coordinates. That is nothing but x dash comma y dash. What is x dash, sir? 3. Y dash is equal to which one, sir? Minus 1. Okay now? So 3 comma minus 1 are the coordinates comma 2. Okay now? All of right on this one?